You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this word that I know confuses a lot of people. If you want to learn more correct pronunciations of confusing words in English, stay tuned. I got more videos for you. The British English pronunciation is as whirl, whirl, whirl. In American English, however, it is more generally pronounced as whorl, whorl, a circular pattern of lines. So a whirl in British English, a whirl in American English. Two correct pronunciations, and depending on the accent or the geography, the origin of the person, well, it's going to be pronounced slightly differently in between those two different pronunciations. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.